In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide feedback to Microsoft with regards to various features or functionality within the application. Now, feedback is an important part which Microsoft takes it very seriously. So, it is always advisable to provide those kind of quality feedback to Microsoft to improvise the product. But for all the products within all these three different clouds like Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, Microsoft Azure, the feedback is not consolidated and it is scattered across multiple settings. So I'm going to show you in product feedback mechanism within the product. And also, if you do not want to send through a product, but then if you want to send it through an outside portal, then you can even do that. So first step, what I'm going to show you is like if you have some feedback, then how can you provide? So here, if you see in the screen, it's make.powerautomate.com. Okay, so once you are in this environment, you click on this help icon, and then from this help icon you can give feedback. Okay, so if you click here give feedback, then it will take you to a website, and then from there you can give a feedback. Okay, so it takes you to ideas.powerautomate.com, and then from here you can provide the feedback. So this is how the screen will look like. You can here post a new idea, and then that will get registered in Microsoft site. Second, if you are in make.powerpages .microsoft.com, so Power Pages site, now here you have something called a submit an idea. Now here again, if you click on submit an idea, then it will take you to the external site, ideas.powerpages.microsoft.com, and there you can provide your ideas with regards to Power Pages. Say if you want to see more controls while adding a page, or if you want to have identified any bugs, or maybe if you have any solution for some behavior or some scenario, those things you can post it over here. Or alternatively, you can vote other people's ideas as well. Okay, now portal.azure.com. Now here in portal.azure.com, you already have, like there is a button called as give feedback to Microsoft. Now, where it is in, like, if you navigate to this page, portal settings, okay, here it is located here. So if you click on provide feedback in the bottom, then you can provide feedback to Microsoft feature set. Okay. Uh, Now, this is about Azure. Then, if you go to Power BI, app.powerbi.com, now here as well you can see there is a button called as help improve fabric. Okay, so if you click on this, then it will give you this pop-up, and here you can specify what works, what doesn't work, and share your ideas. So this you can do in Power BI. Now, going to loop.microsoft.com. Specifically, I didn't find anything direct link from here. I went to settings, I went to about, but I didn't find anything. But here you can see there is a help, and here from here you can navigate and then give feedback. Okay. So if you see here, you can give a compliment, you can report a problem, or you can make a suggestion. So this is how you can do in loop, but this is available in the bottom of the screen. Remember here. Okay. Now, the next application is Planner. So in Planner, if you click on the settings button over here, uh, then you can click on send Planner feedback. Now this is also a bit different. You want to send feedback to Microsoft with regards to something you like, something you don't, and if you have any specific suggestion, you can provide feedback like that. Next application is Microsoft Forms. Okay, now in Microsoft Forms, on the bottoms of the screen, you will see a feedback bubble. So if you click on that feedback bubble, then that form will pop up, and then within that, from that form, you can actually provide feedback to Microsoft. Again, it's giving a compliment, reporting a problem, or making a suggestions. Then we have Dynamics 365 customer service application. So within customer service hub application, you will see a smiley face. From here, you can click on it, and then you can send feedback to Microsoft. So you can file a bug if you have any suggestion, if you don't like something, if you like something, those all things can be provided to Microsoft. Now, customer service hub, and similarly, we have customer service admin center. Again, the similar thing. You have a smiley icon over there. Click on send feedback to Microsoft, and then you can provide feedback over here. Okay. Next application, Microsoft 365. So again, in Microsoft 365, you will see a smiley icon, So you can click to send feedback, and now here I have turned off the feedback as what is indicated. But if you turn it on, then you can send a feedback to Microsoft from Microsoft 365. Okay. Coming back to Teams, in Teams it's a bit hidden. So there are three uh, dot icon over here. So there is settings and more. If you see here, settings and more, and here if you click on help, then you will see suggest a feature or give a feedback. So if you click on suggest a feature, then it will take you to ak.ms Teams feedback. That is feedbackportal.microsoft.com. It's an external link, and here you can provide feedback to with regards to anything related to Microsoft Teams. Next product, OneDrive. Again, on OneDrive, on top of the bar, you will see provide feedback to Microsoft, and here you can provide feedback to Microsoft from here. So if you click on submit feedback to Microsoft, give a compliment, report a problem, make a suggestions, etc., and then you can provide a feedback. Next, dev.azure.com. So that's Azure DevOps. So here, if you see a help icon on the top bar, you can report a bug, you can contact the support, or you can make a suggestion. Okay, so you can click here, report a bug, contact the support, or make a suggestion. Next product, Viva Insights. So Viva Insights again. Let me see. If you click on this three dots, you can give feedback, you can get a support, and you can view other settings. But this is important. You click on give feedback. The moment you click on give feedback, it will take you to this prompt. It's a give a compliment, report a problem, make a suggestion. Okay. Then we have admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. Now here, I didn't find any specific things. So anything on Power Platform Admin Center, I'm not able to directly navigate to the feedback link. And same is with admin.microsoft.com. So Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So I didn't find any specific link to navigate to the uh, support or file a bug or make a suggestion. Next product, Purview. So again, in Purview, you have this button. You can provide feedback. Now this is a bit like a pop-up, like a chat window. You can rate your experience. You can specify what feedback are you providing, and you can also include screenshot within this prompt. I didn't find any specific thing in Outlook Online as well. So Outlook Online, I tried to find a direct way to send the feedback, but I didn't find anything. If you find that, do put it in the comment box. Then even with make.powerapps.com, I didn't find a direct way to navigate to provide a feedback. Okay. Now that's all about in product. Okay. So what if you don't want to remember all these things and directly you want to send a feedback to Microsoft for various different clouds? Okay. So what I've done in my website, so if I navigate to my website, I have created a specific dedicated page for providing feedback, okay, to Microsoft. Now here, if you go to select the Microsoft menu and then click on Microsoft Ideas, now here you will see various styles. So these are the shortcuts. So if you want to send feedback with regards to Power Pages, then you can click here. Same for Power BI, Dynamics 365, Power Automate, Power Apps, and anything apart from that. So that's Feedback Portal. Okay, so I'll navigate you through all those links. So first, going into Dynamics 365. So if you have any suggestions for improvising the product of Dynamics 365, be it in any specific SKU like sales, customer voice, customer service, remote assist, customer insights journey, FinOps, connected spaces, human resources, you can create your own account and then you can suggest a new idea. Okay, so the URL is experience.dynamics.com/ideas. So I have all this thing covered in my website. Then you have for Power BI, there is a Fabric community. So Power BI. So if you have any feedback with regards to Power BI, then you can submit an idea. You can search for existing idea. You can vote for the ideas. You can bookmark the ideas. So all those things you can do through this portal. Third product, powerpages.microsoft.com. So there is ideas.powerpages.microsoft.com. Here you can view the existing idea. You can post a new idea. Now there are many ideas being posted by various individuals, and you can even vote for ideas. So some of the ideas are very much important from a product perspective. And then there are some ideas which just say add Canvas app into Portal app, or please support authorization code flow S app. So like this you can see, and then you can vote based on basis of your likes. Power Automate ideas, again, ideas.powerautomate.com, same concept. View the ideas, you can post a new idea, you can vote for an existing ideas. Then we have Power Apps idea. Again, it's a separate, it's not a separate website, but it's like a subdomain within the website. And here you can have ideas.powerapps.com. You can post a new idea. You can filter the category based on the stages, categories, and you can even vote for the ideas. Now, there is another website which has a URL as feedbackportal.microsoft.com. Now we have seen Dynamics 365, we have seen Power Platform technologies. Now anything apart from that, you can post feedback over here. So take for example, if you see the category over here, it says Microsoft Teams. Okay, so if you have any feedback with regards to Microsoft Teams or Outlook or Microsoft To Do or any other like Excel, Word, OneDrive, and the category is endless. So if you see, there's OneNote, there is SharePoint, PowerPoint. Now, if I click on next, then you can provide feedback on Whiteboard, Forms, 365 app, Microsoft Edge, Intune, Outlook, Exchange Online, Loop, Booking, Skype, and there are many, So anything which is not covered in Dynamics 365 Power Platform, you can provide those feedback in feedbackportal.microsoft.com. Okay, so that's another area. So we have covered Microsoft 365 Cloud, we have covered Dynamics 365 Cloud. Now, if you have something for Azure, if you have any feedback with regards to Azure, you can post that over here, feedback.azure.com. So anything related to say Entra or Azure Portal or any 200 plus services which is provided by Microsoft Azure Cloud, you can provide that over here. Now, how do you provide those suggestions? Is like you go into say specific area and then you click on post a new idea. So if you have any suggestion with regards to Azure Portal, go into that area and then post a new idea. Then there is another website called as developercommunity.visualstudio.com. So anything with regards to Azure DevOps TFS server, okay, Azure DevOps, the on-prem kind of an environment, you can provide those information over here. It can be for Azure DevOps Cloud as well. Okay, so you need to first search whether the idea exists. If not, you can provide a separate idea and then you can provide a clear title, description, and then that's how your idea will get registered. So again, I recommend that you view this website. This is just like a bookmark for all the ideas which you need to place over here. I'll try to add a couple of more links in this website so that this will act as a single source of truth for raising an ideas with regards to Microsoft 365, Microsoft Azure Dynamics 365 product. Now, if you have any feedback from Microsoft Edge, then what you can do in the Microsoft Edge application, so you click on settings. So if you go to help and feedback, then you can click on send feedback. Okay, so if you want to provide feedback with through Microsoft Edge, then you can use that link and then you can provide feedback. So then a form will appear and then you can uh, provide a feedback for that specific with a screenshot or maybe a URL or maybe describe in short what's happening, and you can even record your problem, and then you can click on send. So that's it, folks. This is how you provide feedback to Microsoft with regards to different clouds provided by Microsoft. Thanks for watching.